Without any prior skills or experience, I think the typical person can make their first sale with affiliate marketing within just a few months. But what if you had only 24 hours to make $700 online, but you don't have any website, no social media following, or any money to invest? Well, in this video, I'm going to demonstrate a very simple but effective method that essentially anyone can use to make money online in 2024. To make this work, all you simply need to do is to carefully follow all the steps that I have prepared for you in today's video, and I can assure you step number 4 is probably going to shock you because of how easy it is to make money with this method. So if you are ready for this tutorial, then drop a like on this video and let's jump right in. Moving into the very first step of this tutorial, we need to understand what a VPN is and how it works. So the acronym VPN stands for Virtual Private Network, which basically gives you privacy online when browsing on the internet. So to simplify this is just a tool that encrypts your internet traffic, hide your IP address and your location while browsing online with your device, which means if you browse online with your device without using a VPN, this leaves your data unprotected and you are susceptible to different cyber attacks where your data could potentially be stolen and people can get information from your device. This is why VPNs are becoming more and more popular and many people are using them to browse the internet. This is going to be essential for this method, and don't worry, you don't need a VPN to make money online using this method. I just wanted to make sure that you understand exactly what it is that we are going to be doing in today's video. So now that we are on the same page, we can now move on to the next step of this tutorial. You want to go over to Surfshark.com, which is the website you can see on your screen right now. And Surfshark is one of the top VPN websites in the world. And as you can see right here from their website, they are being used by some of the biggest companies in the world. So as you can see, we have PC World here, we have Forbes, we have Independent, as you can see, we have CNET, and the list goes on and on. So now, like I said in the previous step, we don't actually need a VPN to make money with this method. Today, what we are actually going to do is making money via the Surfshark affiliate program, which means all we then need to do is to scroll down to the very bottom of the website, down to where you are going to see affiliates, as you can see right here. Then you want to make sure to click on this link. And if you do that, it's going to bring you to the Surfshark affiliate program page. And as you can see, this is where you're going to get all the information regarding their affiliate program. And as you can see the information about this affiliate program on this page, you are going to get competitive 40% revenue share on new sales, which means whenever people purchase any of the Surfshark affiliate products using your affiliate link, you are going to get 40% of that sale. And as you can see, they have affiliate cookie duration, which lasts for 30 days, which means if someone clicks your link and they purchase the product within the next 30 days, you are still going to be credited for that affiliate sale. And as you can see, all you need to do is to make minimum of $100 and you can request for your payment right away. 40% is a very high commission compared to other affiliate programs like Amazon, which usually pay between 2 to 7% when you promote product on their platform. And now if you scroll down a little bit on this page, as you can see how to get started, all you simply need to do is to sign up to their affiliate program, get your affiliate link and start making money with Surfshark affiliate program. So that brings us to the next step where you then want to click on become an affiliate. And if you do that, it's going to bring you to this form page where you need to enter your information to create your account. As you can see, you want to select the type of account you want to create, be it personal account or a company account. You then want to enter your address, your city, your country, your zip code and your phone number. And you want to click on next. And if you do everything correctly, your account should get approved within the next 24 hours. Unlike other platforms that makes you wait for weeks or days before getting your application approved. And now if you come over to the pricing page of the Surfshark affiliate program, and I can tell you most people usually come for this standard product, as you can see, which says most popular. So if people click on that, as you can see, they will be paying $72. And if we get 40% of this, that is about $30 in our pocket for every sale we make for this product. And keep in mind, all we need is just 23 people to make your first $700 within the next 24 hours. And don't worry, I am going to show you the best traffic source to promote this product and start making money with affiliate marketing. And the reason why VPN products are usually the best to promote is because they are universal, which means it is not restricted to a certain niche like the health and fitness, spirituality, or relationship niche. And the reason is because as long as you browse the internet, you need a VPN to protect your privacy online from hackers, data theft, and people with malicious intent, which means your target audience is very broad and you can literally target anyone as long as they use the internet, be it older audience or younger audience. Anyone who have access to the internet is your target audience. Now you don't want to go over to Google and you want to type in this keyword in the search bar, and the reason is because we are going to be targeting Netflix users. And if you don't know, Netflix has over 230 million users every single month, and that is a lot of people we can target because there are a lot of Netflix users which don't have movies in their region. So with the help of VPN, these users will definitely be happy getting access to watch more movies which they won't naturally get in their region. So if you type this on Google, you are going to see a lot of websites that is going to show people how they can watch movies in their region using a VPN. And here is an example of a website that is doing something we are going to be doing in this video. As you can see, 7 movies to watch while using a VPN. So if we scroll down to the bottom of the page, as you can see, they are promoting various VPN offers. As you can see, we have ExpressVPN here, Surfshark, NordVPN, okay, which means they are making a lot of money with this affiliate program because there are a lot of people out there who want to watch movies on Netflix which is not available in their country, okay? And if this website is doing it, we can also use this strategy as well and start making money promoting Surfshark affiliate program. And that brings us to the next tool, which is Writer.me, and this is an AI tool we will be using to create original and compelling content that sounds human-like and not a robot. And this is very important because we want to actually create content that is going to connect with people. And once they go through our content, we are going to add our affiliate links. And if they click on it, it's going to take them to the Surfshark affiliate program. And once they purchase the program, we make money. So once you come over to Writer.me or click on the link in the description, it's going to bring you to this page. And as you can see, you can get started with Writer for absolutely free. So once you do that, your dashboard should look like this. You want to then come over to the use case section and you want to click on SEO Meta Description. This is important because I'm going to show you how to use a free traffic source to make money with this method. And also this method is going to help you rank on Google, which means you'll be getting pure organic traffic from Google without spending a dime. All right, so if you come over here, if you select this use case, you want to then come over here and type in a description like this. Create a 1000 word blog about how to access Netflix movies with VPN. If you do this, you want to then click on Write for Me. And as you can see, it's going to then generate content for you like this. First of all, it's going to explain what a VPN is to people and how it works. And as you can see, why to use VPN for Netflix, access to a broader movie library. And also it's going to enhance people's privacy and security online. And if you scroll down here, as you can see, it's going to recommend various VPNs people can use. As you can see, we have Surfshark right here, which means what you can do here is to go over to sign up to these other VPN programs like ExpressVPN, NordVPN, CyberGhost, and Private VPN. However, if you don't want to do that, all you simply need to do is to delete these other VPNs and you want to leave only Surfshark VPN as our recommendation, as you can see right here. So once we do this, all we simply need to do is to copy this content and we can start promoting it online right away. All we simply need is about 23 people to make $700 in the next 24 hours. And like I said, I'm going to show you a traffic source you can use to achieve this. And that is by coming over to medium.com. In case you don't know, Medium is a platform people come to share their stories. And I mean stories they are passionate about, and interested readers on this platform read this content. And I can assure you, medium.com is a high authority website. And that means you can get in front of active searchers on the first page of Google easily. So all you simply need to do is to come over to this platform to create a free account by clicking on the Get Started button. So once you create your account, your dashboard should look like this, and you want to then come over to this plus button right here. And if you do that, this is where you are going to see all the topics that are available on this platform, where people can come over and share stories or posts to people who are actually interested in this type of content. So you want to then click on see more suggestions. So if you do that, you are going to see various categories, and these are categories where you can share your content to people who are interested in that category. All right, and as you can see, we have film right here, and that is where we are going to be sharing our content in this video. So you want to then make sure to click on film, and if you do that, it's going to bring you to the movie category, and I highly recommend to follow this category because you are going to see what other people are doing in this niche, and you can also do the same as well. But keep in mind, if you do that, you are going to see other related categories at the top right here as well, like movies, media, TV series, drama. And as you can see, these are related to our niche. So you can see this is a post that was made about 14 hours ago, and you can see people are engaging with this content, and that is to show you there's a lot of traffic on this website. And if you go over to similarweb.com, you can see Medium gets over 139 million visits every single month, and that is a lot of traffic. And like I also mentioned earlier, you can also get in front of active searchers on Google because Medium is a high authority domain. So once you come over to Medium and create an account, you want to come over to where it says write. So once you do that, you then want to come over to your writer.me account, and you want to copy the title of this post, and also you want to copy the SEO optimized description as well. So once you copy all of this, you then want to paste it on this page like this. As you can see, this is the title and this is the body of this post. Okay, so once you do this, you want to then scroll down and make sure to come over to the recommended section. As you can see, Surfshark is our recommended VPN, which is budget friendly and effective for accessing Netflix movies. Okay, so once you highlight this, you want to then come over to this section that says link, and this is where you want to paste in your affiliate link from the Surfshark affiliate program. So you want to make sure to paste in your affiliate link across multiple pages of this page, something like this. You want to then come over to the link section. You want to paste in your affiliate link so that whenever people click on this link, it's going to take them to the Surfshark website. And finally, one thing I highly recommend you do is to come over to the bottom of every post you make on medium.com, and you want to make sure to make a disclaimer, something like this. Some external links in this post are affiliate links. This way you won't get your account deleted because you've already made the disclosure right here. So once you do this, you then want to click on publish, and now you want to come over to this section and you want to type in various tags like movies. You can type in TV shows. All right, so basically you can type in as many keywords as related to this content. All right, so I'm going to type in Netflix as well. All right, as you can see, we have Netflix here. And also I'm going to type in VPN like this. So once you add in as many keywords as possible, all you then need to do from here is to click on publish now. And if you do this, your content is going to start showing to people who are interested in these topics. And also, like I mentioned earlier, there's a high chances you can get ranked on Google as well, because of this website is a high authority domain, and all you simply need is only 23 sales and you'll be making your first $700 with affiliate marketing. So if you enjoyed this video, then I highly recommend to check out the video on your screen right now. This is the next video you should watch if you want to scale your affiliate marketing business.